Namaste. So this is an online tutorial, of course. And before I continue the lesson, there is something I would like to share with all of you. As a teacher, sometime back when the schools reopened, I had a discussion with a few of my students on how they spent time during this lockdown. Of course, we had a lot of online classes, a lot of games, they played, everything okay, but few kids told me that they used to watch a lot of serials with their parents. Now, there's no harm in watching serials, but the kind of serials they told me that they are watching, all these family dramas and reality shows where they always show there is a lot of negativity in the house, so much put up, children are crying, and the comedy shows where it is absolutely brainless. It actually got me thinking as to what has become of us as parents that we are exposing our children to such serials, which can be avoided. As a teacher, as a parent, I request all my viewers who are watching this, do not expose your children to these kind of brainless serials which are doing more harm than good. Introduce them to different forms of games, martial arts, various arts. You have art, you have music, you have dance, and let them enjoy life at their pace. Let them be children. Do not, because you want to watch something which is absolutely unimportant in our life, do not forcefully expose the children also to that. It really, and the children are so innocent, they don't know how to hide, they don't know how to lie. So they were telling, oh, we know this serial, this actress's child, it's just 3-year-old child, and they know more about the child. Then when I question them about our own mythological characters, I asked, who's Jatayu? They didn't even know. So you'll be surprised that children of today are not exposed to the good things of our culture. Please, let me request you all once again. As a teacher, my request to all of you, take active interest in building and teaching your children good things. Small things, but good things which will enhance their ability to face more challenges in future. TV is called Idiot Box and it deserves to be called that. There are, of course, some very beautiful series. You have Nat Geo channel, you have the Animal Planet. Let them watch all those. Introduce them, show them, teach them our mythological stories. What beautiful lessons we can learn from them. Please expose them to all that. Namaste, I'm Kala and you're watching Kala Art Online, and let's get started with today's class. So what are we learning today? Today we are going to learn how to paint on eggshells. So you must have heard the term walking on eggshells. So what does it mean? Walking on eggshells means when you're trying not to do something wrong or hurt anyone. But don't worry, we are not getting into all that. We are going to do a simple art of painting on eggshells. So this is what we are going to learn today. The materials required are just a few eggshells and foam paper if you have, a glitter sheet, or if you do not have any of these, then even green color straws. You don't have straw, we can always roll a newspaper, which I've already taught you all how to do it, so you can use that also. And of course I have used newspaper rolls as a border and a string at the back for me to hang it. So we're going to learn how to make a beautiful eggshell frame. So what I've got here are a few eggshells. I've got around 8 of them, and of course my brush, few acrylic colors and a napkin. So let me show you how we are going to start. Now we're not going to paint the whole eggshell. I'm going to break this like a flower. Let me just show you. So we are going to gently break it up like this. Here we go. Now if it is uneven also, it is perfectly alright, because of flower's petals, definitely uneven, this much. So here it is like this. I'm going to break everything like this much. So here it is. And then I will put color on the inside and on the outside. Now the colors which you want to use are up to you. Let me show you how I'm going to do it. So now that the shells are ready, the next step is painting inside them. So let me just dip my brush in one color. So for this, I'm going to put pink inside. So let this layer dry. By then, I'll take the next one with a different color. I'm going to make colorful flowers. So till this is drying, what I'm going to do, let this dry here. Let me take out my green color foam. This is the foam which I'm going to use for the leaves and the stem. So let me just outline a few leaves and then I'll cut it out. I generally try to avoid wasting material. All the way till the top. I can take the other one. Now whatever is remaining, what uncut, I'll see what more I can do to make use of all that material. So this is one, and let me draw one more. So now I'm going to cut this out. So here you can see I have cut out all the stems and the leaves. So this is the next step. Now after this, I have taken a hard board like this. I'm dipping the sponge in black and coloring the whole thing. You can also just use your paintbrush. So this way, we are going to cover this entire board with black. So here I have finished coloring this in black. So while this is drying, let's take out a strip of paper like this to make our roll. Now this is something which I've already taught you all in one of the tutorial. So here we go. So this newspaper roll is for making the border. Here we go. So we make 12 rolls like this. So here you can see my eggshells are all dried. So now I'm going to just put a little bit of decoration inside, some white, like this. So we do like this on all the eggshells. Okay, now let this dry. Now what I'm doing is, I'm also dipping it in white and just giving the outline here like this, so that it looks nice. You can then dip your brush in black, or here I'm using the edge of a toothpick. Okay, inside here, just give some black. Put some dots in black like this. Here we go. So now the eggshells are dry. So let's see what all is required for the final. The eggshells are dry, and here I have this hardboard which I painted in black, and that's also dry. And here the stems and the leaves are ready. And finally 8 Instead of 12, I have taken 8. 8 newspaper rolls are also ready. So now comes the assembling. So let's see now how we are going to beautify our board. Now here you can see I just used my barbecue sticks and I made 2 holes here. Okay, so these 2 are at the back. Okay, I'll just tie it. Okay, so now you'll have to just keep a kind of a measurement that this is where the border is going to come. So we are going to stick the flowers somewhere like this. Here, so you just first place your flowers the way you want it, and then we are going to stick it, and I'm going to stick it like this. Just hold it for a minute. Okay, that is looking outside. Now the other one here below like this. Finally, this can probably go in down. Let me put it in the corner there. Yeah, like this. Okay. So here you can see I have stuck the eggshells. Now let's just wait for a minute. By then, let me start seeing how to place. Now same way, this is on top, so I'll be having 2 down here. So this is important to remember these measurements also. Keep all the leaves also. So here you can see that the eggs are all dried up and it looks beautiful. Now if you don't have this green foam, you can also use green straw here. So now here I'm just going to put some glue. Okay, and this rolls, I'm going to stick it here like a border. And take out 2 more rolls and stick it. So here I've stuck all 4 sides. Now these extras I'll just be cutting off all the sides. So now that it's all dry, this is how the work is going to look. If you're a viewer who's coming to my channel for the first time just to see what is this about, this is an educational art tutorial which is free, and of course I love imparting the knowledge which I have gained over the years as an art teacher to a wider audience. So if you like my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel Kala Art Online. I hope you all have enjoyed today's class, and before I sign off, as always, the quote for today: whether you succeed or not is irrelevant. There is no such thing. Making your unknown known is the important thing. Georgia O'Keeffe. A very beautiful quote. So you don't worry about what others have got to tell about your artwork. Continue doing art, continue being creative, and continue watching my show to learn something new every time you watch my show. And for all my viewers out there, thank you very much for being a part of my journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and do click on the notification bell so that you keep getting updates regarding my channel.